Mrs. Sharma, a passionate and innovative teacher, noticed that her students were struggling with understanding various science concepts. Determined to make learning both enjoyable and effective, she decided to rethink her teaching approach. She believed that engaging students on a deeper level could transform their educational experience, so she introduced a series of interactive experiments and storytelling sessions tailored to the science curriculum. Her classroom soon became a lively hub of activity and discovery. Instead of relying solely on textbooks, Mrs. Sharma incorporated hands-on experiments that allowed students to see and experience scientific principles in action. For example, when teaching about chemical reactions, she brought in safe, everyday materials to demonstrate the concepts. Students eagerly participated in mixing substances and observing the results, which made the abstract theories much more tangible and easier to grasp. In addition to experiments, Mrs. Sharma also used storytelling as a powerful educational tool. She created narratives around scientific discoveries and famous scientists, turning dry facts into captivating stories. Her tales of historical figures like Marie Curie and Isaac Newton were not just biographies but engaging sagas of curiosity, struggle, and triumph. These stories provided context and meaning to the scientific concepts her students were learning, making the lessons memorable and inspiring. Mrs. Sharma's methods had a noticeable impact on her students. Their understanding of science deepened significantly, and their interest in the subject soared. Where once there had been confusion and disinterest, there was now excitement and curiosity. Students began asking more questions, participating actively in class discussions, and even conducting their own experiments at home. The improvement in the students' academic performance was remarkable. Test scores rose, but more importantly, the students developed a genuine interest in science. Mrs. Sharma's dedication went beyond the classroom as she encouraged her students to think about future careers in science. She organized field trips to science museums and research centers, invited guest speakers from scientific fields, and started a science club where students could explore their interests further. Many of her students were inspired to pursue careers in science, a testament to the profound impact a passionate teacher can have. Mrs. Sharma's innovative approach not only helped her students excel academically but also ignited a lifelong love of learning and discovery. Her story is a shining example of how creativity and dedication in teaching can transform the educational experience and inspire the next generation of scientists.